What the fuck, dude? Where'd this come from? What? No way. Fuck's sake. What's up, everybody? What is this? MCACN came to me this year, which is pretty cool. I woke up this morning from a phone call from a friend asking for a favor, and we're having a slumber party here with the red 6-pack GT that's been burning up the internet since it was redone by my buddies at Rocket Restoration in Washington. The car is getting picked up for transport. They just needed it to go somewhere safe indoors because we're getting a blizzard this weekend and they're having an issue getting it picked up, but it's all squared away, safe and sound here in our harbor. What a cool ride. Let's check it out. 446-pack Sport Fury GT. See the V in the VIN? It's the real deal. All the original paint. This is a preservation, not a restoration. Very nice work. Super nice car. And it's surrounded by fusies. Right at home. The lone Plymouth. Buckets and console, rim blow. AM, is that an AM or that's just an AM 8-track? Neat car. Stupid scoops gotta go. They have a hood for it. Just didn't make it on the car before the show. They did an incredible job on this engine. It looks amazing. What a car. Every ding and dent tells a story. This is the real deal, folks. And it's here at Shipwrecked Mopars temporarily. Appreciate them trusting me with this one-of-a-kind machine. Wow. It's an honor to have this here. And wait, there's more. This is another one that was at MCACN. It's a 65 300L. I think it's a 413 with a 4-speed. I got the pleasure of driving this thing from McChesney Park to South Beloit. About 15 minutes. No big deal. But wow, it was an experience driving a 4-gear C-body. This is another super nice car owned by Rocket Restorations. Great guys out there in Washington. Beautiful car. I anticipate they'll be picked up here rather soon. Thud. Solid. Big things happening here for Shipwrecked Mopars. Stay tuned. It's only going to get better. Have a good night, guys. Bye.